Hey everyone, I am your teacher. Thanks for clicking, and welcome to my channel for English learning. If you are new here, please first of all subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Do not forget to share the video. My good wishes are with you. May God grant you success at every step in this journey. Let's start today's lesson.
Today's lesson is about asking questions in English. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing का मतलब है आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Where are you going के मानी हैं आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
What is the problem? What is the problem?
What is the problem का मतलब है क्या मसला है? क्या मसला है?
Where did you go before? Where did you go before?
Where did you go before के मानी हैं आप पहले कहाँ गए? आप पहले कहाँ गए?
How are you? How are you?
How are you का मतलब है आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं?
Where does he live? Where does he live?
Where does he live के मानी हैं वो कहाँ रहता है? वो कहाँ रहता है?